Hello friends, welcome to Science of Diet. Today, I'm gonna tell you, secret homemade weight loss drink, which can reduce your fat, faster. So already know, that in order to lose weight, and, more importantly, get healthy, you need to balance exercise, and healthy eating, but you want to boost the process. To achieve this, you can try this metabolism-boosting, all-natural drink. To prepare this drink you need 2/3 cup, boiling water, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 tablespoon sliced ginger, ½ teaspoon cinnamon, juice from half lemon, about 1½ tablespoons. Now let's see, how to make this drink. All you have to do is, mix the ingredients together, and microwave for about 30 seconds. Wait for it to cool to a comfortable temperature, and drink. If you drink it first in the morning, when you wake up, and last before you go to sleep at night, on an empty stomach both times, you'll boost your metabolism, and give your other healthy eating habits a helping hand. It uses all natural, common ingredients, and that it's basically a modified ginger tea. So, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. Please, hit like, and subscribe my channel, for more videos. Also, do not forget to share this video to your friends and family. Bye bye, take care.